It's started. Hi, Dr. Harrison.
Hi.
Hi, Shay.
Hello.
So what do we got here?
So I'm here because, well, this is actually for the capstone class, because one of the things that I've said in class is that there are many opportunities right here in causes for students to really get involved in being able to, see life very differently, from food security, from food safety. So I asked Shay, and I've asked a number of our center directors if they would actually help our students understand exactly what's going on at the farm, because we do have a farm, which is always surprising to most people to realize that UDC actually has a farm. So I really wanted to, to ask him to just give us some ideas about what happens at the farm, so the students would have a better idea of what happens here.
Awesome.
Okay, well, I'm glad you asked. One of the things about our farm is it is a research farm, so we'll be doing quite a bit different types of research on different crops. We'll be looking at crops which have high nutrient density. We'll be dealing with crops, seeing how different soil types affect the growing of these crops. And also, we'll be looking at growing quite a bit of food in small spaces, which can really we can transfer that technology to urban areas. For example, what we're looking at now is something it's called alley cropping. Right now we have Asian pears on my right and left, but also we have a crop of kale here. So we have crop of kale, which is a super vegetable per se. It's very nutritious, one of the most nutritious vegetables that you can get, plus Asian pears, which are very nutritious and also have quite a bit of trace elements in it for human nutrition. One of the things that we really kind of concentrate on here at the farm is not too much. Yields are important. Yields are very important when you're growing crops, but we kind of look at maybe how much nutrition you can get out of an acre or a small piece of land per square foot. That's really important, and that's going to be very important for urban areas, because with the advent of different diseases in the environment in urban areas, we need to really look at ways which we can boost our immune systems. And one way to really boost the immune system is eating crops that are high in nutrient density. So growing kale and crops like broccoli and okra and all these things which have very high nutrient density helps the immune system. It helps us ward off different types of things like that, and also they add to food security.
And so we actually just learned Bread for City is out here. They're one of the people that come actually and have a plot of land with us here. And one of the students that's right here right now learned that there is an opportunity for even those groups to be able to come and work with Bread for City, during their regular school days. So that's another opportunity that students can actually take advantage of when you're thinking about your project. Those are things that you really can think about. All right, guys, I'll see you all in class on Tuesday.